Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down again, tap on font style and select the best one for you by clicking on it. You can check out preview above. When you find the perfect one, tap on apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!